Hey guys, welcome to my first YouTube video. As you may already see from the title of this video, I have bought myself a new MacBook Pro 13 laptop. Okay, so this is it. This one is a higher end version of the MacBook Pro 13 laptop. As you may already know, there are two versions of the same laptop. This one comes with 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports, and there's another there is a lower end version of the same laptop that comes with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports. There are some key differences between this one and the lower end version. Okay, the first difference would be that the lower end version would be $500 cheaper. And this one costs a little bit more, but what we get extra with that is this one comes with Intel i5 processor, but this one is a 10th generation processor, whereas the one in the lower end comes with 8th generation processor. So this one definitely has a faster processor. Secondly, this one has Intel Iris Plus graphics. So the graphics is better here. This one has LPDDR4 RAM, whereas the low end version comes with LPDDR3 RAM. The one that I have bought has 16 GB RAM. It has 1 TB of SSD hard disk. This one comes with Magic Keyboard. It has Touch Bar, it has Touch ID, it has dedicated escape key, and more importantly, this one comes with 2 fans internally, whereas the lower end version comes just with 1 fan. So that's an important factor because the thermal cooling on this laptop should be much better, and hence the performance of this laptop should be really much better than the one in the lower end version. So having said that, I have also bought along with this laptop a few accessories like the incase the sleeve for this laptop, which is from Incase. I have bought magic mouse, I have bought adapter, I have bought backpack, etc. So if you'd like to see the video of that as well, stay tuned. Please subscribe, like, share this video, and so let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, but before that, I would also like to tell you about the price. This laptop costs $1,999 in US, whereas I have bought this in Malaysia, and this one cost me 8,799 ringgits. Okay, so let's get started. So we have the laptop here. Let's do the unboxing. We don't need a knife or a scissor to unbox this, so I believe we just take this and I'm going to tear it. Okay, perfect. Now let's see inside. Here is the laptop. Okay, so this says MacBook Pro. Let's pull it. Okay. Wow. Can keep it aside. So the laptop is here. Let's unbox this box. So we just pull this, I believe. Okay, so time to see the laptop. Okay, so just pull this. Okay. Wow, here it is. MacBook Pro 13 Space Gray. It looks beautiful. Let's keep this aside for now. I have it here. Let's see what else. So, okay, so we have the sticker here somewhere. So yes, we have the Space Gray sticker, the Apple logo. We keep it back. We don't need to read this as of now. So I have the adapter. So this one comes with compatible for I also purchased few accessories for the laptop. So let me do a quick unboxing of all of them. So here I have the Magic Mouse. I actually ripped off the tape a few days ago, but I haven't done unboxing. So let's look at this now. So this is the Magic Mouse, as you can see. So let me take it. So I have the Magic Mouse, and I have a USB-C to USB-A adapter, which I purchased. So let the box go back there. So this is the adapter. So here is the mouse. I bought the silver color one because I thought the silver and the space gray both are the same mouse, but that one cost 80 ringgits more and this one was 299 ringgits. So I bought this. I think it should be good. It feels good. So what else do we have? I hope we have a charging cable here. Yes, we do have a charging cable. So that I also have bought a sleeve for the MacBook Pro 13. The sleeve, this is from the brand called Incase. I think they make good sleeves for MacBook Pro. So as you can see, this costs 199 ringgits, and this one is for the 13-inch MacBook Pro. So it's a basic sleeve. It's just to hold your laptop. It doesn't have any other ports. So, but the inside is pretty good actually. It's very soft material, so the laptop should be pretty safe inside. Let me just try if it fits well. So this is my laptop. Let me put it here. So it goes in, and yes, so it fits perfectly well. It's a slim sleeve. You can put it into your backpack. So this is my sleeve and my laptop. Here it goes. The mouse is here, and now to hold everything together, I bought this. So this one is a backpack. This backpack is from Samsonite, actually. So it's a pretty basic backpack. Nothing so special, but it has a lot of compartments. So this is where we keep the laptops. So let me try that. And this is where it goes, the laptop. I close this, that's all. And then I have another compartment, a big one, where I can keep all maybe the mouse or a book, and everything else can go here. So that's all, guys. This is all the accessories that I have bought. Please do like, share and subscribe.